Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. In our today's lecture, we discuss the singleton set, equal set, equivalent set and non-equivalent set. We discuss these sets one by one. But first we discuss singleton set. What is singleton set? A set having a single element is called a singleton set. For example, the set of whole numbers less than 1. We know that whole numbers start with 0. So we write as W equal to bracket less than 1 all numbers, so we write 0. So student, this is a singleton set in which set W consists of only one element which is 0. So this is a singleton set. Okay dear students, our second set is equal set. What is equal set? Two sets are called equal sets if they have same elements. Two sets are called equal sets if they have same elements. We have two sets, set A and set B. Set A consists of 5 elements A, B, C, D and E, and set B consists of 5 elements B, A, E, D and C. So we write as set A and set B. They both have same elements, so we write as set A equal to set B. Okay student, our third type is equivalent set. What is equivalent set? Two sets are called equivalent if one and only if one-to-one correspondence can be established between them. For example, we have two sets. Set A consists of 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, and set B consists of also 4 elements A, B, C and D. Now we try to establish one-to-one correspondence between them. First we write set A 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we write set B A, B, C and D. Okay student, in set A and set B both having 4 elements. So student, we can say that in this set A elements establish the relation between with set B. So this is a equivalent set because they have same elements. Okay students, our fourth one set is non-equivalent set. What is non-equivalent set? Two sets are called non-equivalent if one-to-one correspondence cannot be established between them, in which any one elements will not establish with the element of next set. For example, we have two sets, set C and set D. Set C consists of 4 elements 1, 3, 5 and 7, and set D consists of 5 elements A, E, I, O, U. Now we write as first we write set C 1, 3, 5 and 7 bracket close, and now we write set D A, E, I, O and U. Now we try to establish one-to-one correspondence between their elements of both sets. First, second, Okay student, in this set we know that set D element U will not create any correspondence with the element of set C, so this is called non-equivalent set. Students, I hope you understand my today's lecture. You can practice these sets at your home. Now it's the time to say Allah Hafiz. Stay safe.